Nature is one of the neatest things on this planet. That's why Nicole and I started nature walking, so that everyone can see this beautiful nature.
How neat is that? That's pretty neat. Without a doubt, I think coming out into the nature is one of the neatest things there is to do.
You always got to be careful. Make sure to pack some heat.
This isn't much of a big boy, but I just want to warn the animal. I don't want to hurt it. I think you're pretty neat, but I respect your distance.
Nope. First steps into nature. Ow.
There's bears out here, and mountain cougars, and
fighting goats. That's pretty neat. You can tell this is an oak tree because, well, it looks like an oak tree. You can tell this is poison oak by the way it smells. Poison oak.
What a beaut.
You know what would be a great capper to a great day?
Seeing a wild animal. I was really looking forward to see a coyote.
Those precious coyotes.
You know what I do sometimes is I try to shake up the earth a little bit, you know, get the ground moving.
We call out to them.
Here we go. Yip, yip. Here we go. Yip, yip.
Yip, yip. Well, T, dang it.
Come out now. I'm not giving up yet. Whoop, 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 whoop.
It's hard to get all this neatness in just one place.
This is called nature. Thanks for watching our nature walk video. Finally found ourselves a view.
That's a good one. It's a good one.